Hello everyone, now we will solve this problem where we have to find the value of x. Let's solve this. Simply we have taken this to this side. Now 6 LCM, so 3x plus 3 minus 2x minus 2 plus x plus 1 LCM, so 2 minus 3 is equals to minus 5 by 6, or from here 6 into x plus 1 the LCM, so here x plus 1 and from here also x plus 1 plus here minus 1 into 6 is equals to minus 5 by 6, or we can cancel 6 and 6 from here. Now this is x square plus 2x plus 1. This is minus 6, and if we multiply this to this side we get minus 5x minus 5, or x square plus 2x minus 5 plus 5x plus 5 is equals to 0. 5 cancel. X square plus 7x is equals to 0. From here the x is common, so x plus 7 is equals to 0. Either or, either x is equals to 0 or x is equals to minus 7. This is our answer. Thank you for watching.